Hello everyone, it's day 4 of the murder trial against Escanaba resident Kallay Batchelor. He's charged with the open murder of his wife, Heather Batchelor. TV6's Escanaba Bureau reporter Jessica Stevenson was in the Delta County Circuit Courtroom today as 7 witnesses took the stand. Jessica?
Steve, the fourth day began with biologist and forensic testimonies. The jury learned that there were no identifiable fingerprints on the weapon, and the blood found on the sheets and mattress belonged to the victim. They also were told there were 2 sets of DNA found in that blood stain on the gray t-shirt found in the defendant Kallay Batchelor's apartment.
One was a major donor to that mixture, and that major donor matched Kallay Batchelor. The minor donor to this mixture was at a very low level. I could tell that there was a second person contributing. However, I was not able to make any conclusions.
Following these testimonies, the jurors watched another segment of Batchelor's interrogation video from the morning of the alleged murder. Throughout the questioning in the video, the defendant insisted he was innocent, first claiming he wasn't at the scene when Heather died.
I walked out the house. Sure. She was sitting there, breathing. Okay. So somebody else did not kill my wife.
But soon after, the defendant's story changed, and he claimed self-defense. He said Heather lunged at him with the knife first, when he grabbed his wife's hand and stabbed her twice with the kitchen knife.
This thing was actually aimed at me. Our hand went like this, and my shoulder backwards and my here. And then she jumped up and came me again. Okay. Which way? Okay. And it went like that, and then it broke off. She went back, she sat up, she rolled to the floor.
But the lead detective on the case says evidence says otherwise, and that it's likely Heather's death was intentional murder.
The emails that he discovered, I looked at those as providing a possible motive for murder. His injuries, aside from the injury on the palm of his hand, were consistent with a victim trying to ward off an attack.
Now, the trial is scheduled to continue tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, and we're expecting to hear from at least one more witness. Now, if the defendant, Kallay Batchelor, is found guilty of open murder, he could be spending up to life in prison. We'll continue to keep you updated on this case as it unfolds. For now, live in Escanaba, Jessica Stevenson, TV6 News.